What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bruce Wang. Today's video is going to be about Robinhood investing, another Robinhood challenge. Robinhood has a list of the 100 most popular stocks. I'm going to go over the top 10 of them and let you know what I think about them. Let's jump right into the app. For anybody that's new to investing and want to start investing today, you can use the free trading app, Robinhood. I have been using this app for the last 6 months or so, and I highly recommend it. The links are in the description. When you use that link, you'll get a free stock right when you sign up. Some of the stocks that you can get, you can see on the screen right now: Berkshire Hathaway, CenturyLink, Annaly Capital, and it's 100% free right when you sign up. So you can just download it and test it out yourself. But let's jump right into the portfolio. Today, my investment portfolio is worth $2,685.47. It's a very good day for me. I'm up about $30 on the day. On the week, I'm up $60. On the month, I'm up $187. On the 3 month charts, I'm up $280. On the year, it's about the same, $240. For the all-time chart, I'm still down $211, and I'm trying to make up for this with fundamental investing and dividend investing. So now let's take this time to open up a few free stocks from some of my subscribers. The first one is from Chance. So thank you, Chance, for using my link in the description. Let's open this one right in the middle real quick. And I got Sprint. I've been getting a lot of referrals recently, so I'm just gonna open 2 more. Again, I'm gonna go for the one right in the middle. I got Groupon. Groupon is worth $3.48. I'm still waiting on that super rare stock that's worth over hundreds of dollars. Hopefully this is it right here. Come on. Nope. Again, I got SiriusXM, worth right now $6.04. I still have a few stocks here, but I'm gonna open them up next time. Also, don't forget to do your taxes. Robinhood makes it very easy for you to do your taxes. All you have to do is just download the documents and give them to your accountant, or you can just use those documents and go through TurboTax. I think they have an affiliate link in their app, so you can just go through that. Now let's cut to the chase and jump into Robinhood's most popular stocks. Let's just take a look at the top 10 because I don't want to take all your time up. The top stock on Robinhood right now is Aurora Cannabis. I've done, I think, 1 or 2 videos on Aurora Cannabis already. It is a cannabis stock, a weed stock, very volatile. I don't recommend you guys jumping into this with all your money right now. I think the cannabis industry is gonna mirror the cryptocurrency industry. It's gonna be very volatile, it's gonna be very speculative, but there is a high chance for growth. Let's look at some of the statistics for Aurora Cannabis. On the day, it's moving sideways. On the week, down 7%. On the month, it's up 1%. On the 3 month chart, it's up 7%. On the year, it's down 20%. So this is what I'm trying to say, guys. It's very volatile. Only jump in here if you know what you're doing. The market cap is $7 billion. 52 weeks low is 4, 52 weeks high is $12.50. I originally bought into Aurora Cannabis at $5 and I sold at $7.23. I think after Aurora Cannabis drops below $7 again, that's when I will decide to jump back in again. The second most popular stock right now on Robinhood is Apple. Apple is a blue chip stock. It is a fan favorite. I'm a Apple fanboy. I don't have my Apple Watch on right now, but I'm using an Apple phone. I use the Apple AirPods. I'm an Apple fanboy to the core. I use a MacBook Pro to edit all my videos. So I believe in this company. Today it is kind of moving sideways. On the week, it is down 0.5%. On the month, it's up 13%. I think I bought in to Apple about a month ago because I'm up about $20 on the stock. The 3 month chart is still down 10%. On the year, there is almost no growth on the year chart. On the 5 year chart, you can see that there was a 130% growth. Apple stock right now is at $170. Like I said, I don't have that much money to reinvest right now, but I was able to get 1 share at $148, and right now my equity is at $170. I'm up $22.36. So here are the main stats. Very staggering. Market cap is at $807 billion. It is crazy how much money this company has. It is one of the world's most richest companies. And what else? They have a dividend yield of 1.2. Just yesterday on Valentine's Day, I got paid a dividend of 73 cents for owning 1 share of Apple. I don't have anything bad to say about Apple at the moment. I wouldn't buy Apple at this price. I would probably buy Apple at 160, 165. That's when I'll decide if I want to jump back in again. The third biggest company is GE. One thing that I want to say about the mobile app versus the desktop app, you can actually see the exact amount of people that owns the stock if you're on the desktop app. For whatever reason, on the mobile app, they won't show you. I'll give you a screenshot to let you see exactly what I'm talking about. General Electric is the third most popular stock on Robinhood at the moment. On the year, it hasn't been doing too good. It is down 30%, but there was a big recovery over the last 3 months. GE's market cap is 87 billion. Dividend yield is at 5%, and why the dividend yield is so high is because the price of GE dropped so low. But I think that they're cutting back the dividend yield because the company hasn't been doing too well over the past few months. 52 weeks high is $15.60. 52 weeks low is $6.66. There's always mixed news coming out about GE, how it's doing well, or how it's doing better, or how it's doing worse. If you believe in GE, invest in it in the long term. If you do not believe in GE, don't invest in it at all. I bought GE around October when I first started because GE was considered a blue chip stock, but I think that the company is too volatile for me and I don't want to be investing in this company at the moment. I sold all my shares at $11.32 back in October. The fourth most popular stock on Robinhood is Ford. Ford is $8.54 at the moment. On the week, it's up 1.5%. On the month, it's down 5%. On the 3-month chart, it's down 8%. On the year, it is down 21%. So on 5 years, it's down 40%. Ford is trending down, guys. Ford is trending down a lot. A lot of the investors in Ford right now, they're just holding. I'm not telling you you should sell or anything, but Ford is trending down, so just be aware. I don't know if it's a good time to buy in or not. I sold all my Ford shares on February 7th, so that was about a week ago. I only had 2 shares, nothing too serious, and it paid out a dividend of 30 cents. So here's a bad example of investing for dividend yield. Ford is a very big company, but the stock price is trending down, and when the stock price trends down, the dividend yield percentage will always go up, and you don't really want that type of dynamic when you're investing for dividends. The market cap is 35 billion. Dividend yield again is 7.8%, but don't let that fool you. The 52-week high is $12.15. The 52 weeks low is $7.41. Just some of the headlines. The CFO's retirement would bring more uncertainty at tough times for Ford right now. The stock price of Ford is going to be very volatile at the moment. There's a lot of negative news coming out of the company right now. If you are invested in Ford, the analysts say that you should be holding instead of selling. So just be aware. Moving on to the 5th most popular stock on Robinhood. To my surprise, it is another cannabis stock, another weed stock. Price is at $21.26. I've done a video on this, so I think that if you guys want to check out that video, I'll link it because this video is starting to get a bit long. If you want me to cover cannabis stocks again, leave me a like and leave me a comment, and I'll be glad to do so. But you guys gotta let me know. The 6th most popular stock on Robinhood is Microsoft. Microsoft is a computer company created by Bill Gates, one of the most richest men in the world. Microsoft is one of the most richest companies in the world. Stock price right now is $108.15. It's been trending up in the past 3 months. On the year, it's up almost 18%. It's up 18%. It is up almost 200% in the 5-year chart. So this is a very great growth for Microsoft. Market cap is $821 billion. This is a company that I need to keep a watch on, so I'm gonna turn on the, I'm gonna put this on my watch list. I can definitely buy Microsoft within the next week or so. I just gotta wait for my deposit to come in. There's nothing but good news coming out from Microsoft. Analysts say 88% buy. For their earnings per share, they exceeded their earnings per share just by a bit. I can't get the correct numbers on the mobile app, but when I look in the desktop app, I'm sure able to find it. But Microsoft is a great company. One of their main competitors is Apple. The 7th most popular stock on Robinhood, it is GoPro, $5.99 per share right now. It is doing pretty well in the last 3 months, up 10%. On the year, it's up 5%. But it has seen better days. On the 5-year chart, you can see that it's down almost 80%. At one time, GoPro shares were worth almost $100. That's pretty insane. I didn't jump into the stock market till last year, so I was not aware of this. Their market cap right now is under $1 billion. So GoPro right now is considered a small market cap. I did not know that. I haven't done much research on GoPro, so this is one of the first times I'm looking at them. 52-week high right now is $7.60. On the low end is $4. I own one GoPro, but that was from like 4 or 5 years ago. And GoPros are very expensive. They have their own niche market for action cameras. So right now is a very critical time for GoPro, but it does seem like they're trending upwards in the last 3 months. On their 4th quarter report, they beat expected earnings per share by 5 cents. That is good news. I'm not gonna replay the earning calls, but you can listen to it here. So the 8th most popular stock on Robinhood right now is Facebook. Everybody knows what Facebook is. Even my grandmother knows what Facebook is. Stock price right now for Facebook is $162.30. On the day, it is trending sideways. On the week, it's trending down about 3%. On the month, it is trending up 11%. I think this is good news from their expected earning calls. Facebook is one of the companies that has been on my watch list since I've gotten into Robinhood. I would love to own a piece of this company. Their market cap is $467 billion. That's one of the most richest companies in the world. 52-week high is at $218. 52 weeks low is at $123. Facebook has no dividend yield because it is considered a growth stock. One thing that I love about Facebook is that they're a global company, and how they do their ads, it's very smart, even though they might be stealing some of your data. Other than that, let's move on to the next stock. I first heard about AMD from crypto mining. So AMD, they create those GPUs and other computer parts. Right now, the stock price of AMD is $23.68. AMD is I think is the 9th most popular stock on Robinhood. On the day, they're trending up. On the week, they're trending up 2.7%. On the month, they're up 15.8%. 3 month, they're up 20%. On the year, they're up 90%. So on the 5-year chart, they're up 576%. There's been crazy amount of growth in AMD. I think this company is quite new. At the moment, I own 2 shares of AMD. And I bought in at $18.86. And you can see that my total return at the moment is almost $10. I wish I bought more stocks at that time. It was stupid. I should have bought a lot more at that time. I would be up a lot more at the moment. AMD is a growth stock, so you can see that there is again no dividend yield, just like in Facebook. Their market cap is a lot lower though. Market cap is at $23 billion. 52 weeks low is at $9. 52 weeks high is at $34. AMD, I see that. I think this company is going to be one of the bigger companies in the future. It's going to be able to rival Nvidia. Nvidia is one of their main competitors. And I also believe that one reason why AMD is so popular on Robinhood is because the stock price is a lot more affordable than Nvidia. Nvidia's stock prices is in the hundreds of dollars. This company might be of interest to you if you want to invest in a tech company. The 10th most popular stock on Robinhood right now is Fitbit. I'm somewhat familiar with Fitbit because I keep getting Fitbit for my referral awards. I think I received maybe 5 Fitbit rewards from Robinhood, but like I said earlier in the video, I'm an Apple fanboy. So Fitbit, I haven't owned one or worn one or even tried one on. Right now Fitbit is $6.46 on the week. It is down 1%. I mean, on the day it is down 1%. On the week, again 1%. On the month it is up almost 9%. 3 month up 15%. So it's been doing pretty good over the last 3 months to a year. But on the 5-year chart, you can see that it has been trending down. And I think that is because of the popularity of the Apple Watch. So that is one thing that you want to consider if you want to jump into the stock. No dividend yield. So I think that's one of the reasons why I sold all my Fitbit. There's just no dividend yield. Market cap is 1.6 billion. 52 weeks high is 779. 52 weeks low is 423. Again, I think that Fitbit is one of the more popular stocks from back in the days. I'm generalizing, but I think today it's all about the Apple Watch. I think Fitbit has been beaten, and I think that they don't really have that much of a market share in that space anymore because of Apple. You can see here on January 3rd, I sold 3 shares at $5.24. And on February 6th, I sold 1 share at $6.24. So I've received about 4 Fitbit rewards from Robinhood at the moment. It's been trending up in the last few months, but are they gonna come out with some type of technology that can beat the Apple Watch? I'm not so sure about that. Robinhood has a lot more popular stocks that I didn't go over. There was 100 of them. I think if I went over all of them, I would lose my mind, I would lose my voice. So I only went over the top 10. And those are my thoughts. A few of those companies I've invested in, Aurora Cannabis, Apple, AMD, and a lot of them I'm not invested in them because I either don't believe them or I don't have enough buying power in my account right now to purchase them. For example, like Microsoft. Depending on the type of investor you are, that'll determine on what type of portfolio you will have. I am a dividend investor. At the moment, I am focused heavily on investing in dividend stocks, but I'm still very open to growth stocks such as Facebook and Microsoft. But I just don't have that type of buying power, and that is why this is called the Robinhood Challenge. It's supposed to be challenging. Hopefully that makes it more entertaining to see me get over that type of struggle. That's gonna be it for today's video. So if you enjoyed it, you made it this far, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I make a lot of content. I'm making 3 videos every week right now. So if you like this type of content, stick around for more. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of this type of video. Do you want to see more Robinhood investment challenges? Do you want to see more crypto? Do you want to see more YouTube growth hacks? Other than that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.